this is Candy with eyes2jesus.blogspot.com, and I just received a package in the mail. It is a gold package, and for those who do the mystery sale shopping on Foxy Fix, then you recognize the envelope. So I believe, if I read correctly, this is the last mystery sale that Foxy Fix is doing. So I wanted to go ahead and jump in on that, and they were offering something in the mystery sale along the category of something I wanted to look into. So let's get into this unboxing. I have not opened this at all. Let's see what's in here. I just used my handy dandy mom scissors and cut the envelope open. So let's go inside and see what the mystery is that I got at half price. So I got my packing slip that we'll leave in there. Look at that color. That's like a lavender type color. That's really pretty. I was guessing it was going to be in the family of purples or blues, and I was hoping it was going to be purples or blues. But this, oh, is very, very pretty. Oh, wow. Yeah, I really like this. I love this color. Let me close the string on it so I can show you what it is. So this is, I got a B6 size traveler's notebook because I've been curious about that size. I love the standard size. That's the size that I'm in right now, but I've always wanted to try out and play around with a B6 size. So this mystery sale was, you had an option to go in there and do a mystery sale for a B6 size traveler's notebook, so that was the option I chose, and that's all I knew. I didn't know the pockets, the strings, the color, the leather, nothing. So we got here is this beautiful, it's like a lavender colored B6. Oh, it's a very pretty color. I very much like it. And it's got reinforced spine. It's got 4 strings in the spine. And then we got these handy pockets here. So this is really, this beautiful lavender purple. And the string, the elastic color, seems to be a very light pink. Yeah, so very light pink elastic, which looks nice with the lavender color. And stitching is either a very light pink or a white. I think it's a very light pink. I think the stitching and the elastic seem to be a light pink, and the leather is this light lavender type purple color. Now I need to get myself a few B6 inserts or make some so that I can play around with it and see what I think of this size. But yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick little video and share with you my mystery sale unpackaging. And this is what I got, and I like it. It is awesome. Have a blessed day.